Welcome back to my channel. We have alphabet sheet with missing alphabets. Let's complete the missing alphabets in this sheet with different colors. Let's do it. This is A. Can we color this A with the orange? A for ant. Next color we are going to use pink. Let's draw B over here. B for book. What is the next color? It's yellow. Let's do this C for circle. C for circle. What is the next letter? It's D. Let's do it with the red. It's D. D for duck. D for duck. What is the next letter? It's E. Let's do this with the blue. It's E. E for eye. E for eye. What is the next letter? It's F. Let's do this with the orange. F. F for frog. F for frog. What is the next letter? It's G. Let's do this with the pink. G. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. What is the next letter? It's H. Let's do this H with the yellow color. H for hand. H for hand. What is the next letter? It's I. Let's do this with the red. I. I for iron. I for iron. What is the next letter? It's J. Let's do this J with the blue color. J. J for jam. J for jam. Next letter is K. Let's do this K with the orange. K. K for king. K for king. Next letter is L. Let's do this with the pink. L. L for lamp. L for lamp. What is the next letter? It's M. M. Let's color this M with the yellow. M for mango. M for mango. What is the next letter? Over here, it's going to be N. After M, it's N. N. N for nuts. N for nuts. Next letter is O. Let's do the O with the blue color. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. What is the next letter? It's P. Let's do this with the orange. P. P for pineapple. P for pineapple. The next letter is Q. Can we do this Q with the pink color? Let's do this. It's Q. Q for quilt. Q for quilt. Next letter is R. Let's do this with the yellow. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. The next letter is S. Let's do this with the red color. S. S for soap. S for soap. The next letter is T. Can we do this with the blue color? Let's do it. It's T. T for Teddy. T for Teddy. The next letter is U. U for uniform. U for uniform. What is the next letter? It's V. Let's do this with the pink color. V. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. The next letter is W. Can we do this with the yellow? Let's do this. It's W. W for watch. W for watch. The next letter is X. Can we do the X with the red color? Let's do this. It's X. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. The next letter is Y. Can we do this with the blue color? Let's do it. Y. Y for yellow. Y for yellow color. Or Y for yogurt. Let's not the last letter is Z. Let's do this with the orange. It's Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. Hope you like this video. Bye bye kids. We will meet soon. Please like and subscribe.